You know what
on
is
the front.
another, the name, I don't know if this is good actually. I was gonna say that the word vinegar comes from the French word. It's like vinaigre. I don't know how you say it, but, sour wine. I mean, sour wine. So I was like, is there anything there? But I don't really like the idea of bringing wine into it as a name.
I know, and then you're like, sour is interesting, maybe.
Sourpuss, sour face, sourpuss. Sourpuss is kind of a funny name. Like, you could have a little quirky cat that looks grumpy all the time.
Yeah.
Um,
Sourpuss is like would be a wild name for a vinegar. That's
uh-huh.
funny to talk about, like, or like what are other words you would use to describe how vinegar tastes? Like,
Yeah, like sweet,
you know,
acidic, sour, medicinal. It could taste like medicinal a little bit. Let's see what else. Yeah, but
aesthetic.
that's sourpuss is kind of fun.
That's funny.
It's really
Sharp,
surprising.
harsh, yeah, flavor, tart, zesty.
Sorry, just to lock in
Yeah.
on that for one more second.
Yeah.
It feels like if you were stripping the brand down and just doing kind of funky colors and doing kind of some sort of like really offbeat, simply drawn mascot that could become like iconic and recognizable, a grumpy looking cat
Mhm.
and Sourpuss being the brand name is really fun. I mean, people love
I agree.
cats
Sourpuss is amazing. Also,
and
couldn't you imagine and a lot of vineyards have cats, like, that's sort of like an
yeah,
iconic element of that I could also picture instead of seeing the cat itself, you always just saw his tail or her tail winding around a vine. You know what I mean? Like, it's like or,
oh,
like, turning up,
yeah,
like because it's, like, mischievous and we don't have to, like, Garfieldify it or whatever. You're just
yeah.
sort of seeing the elements or there's footprints or something. Sourpuss would be funny. That would definitely get,
I think that's got a
uh
great energy. Um, okay, the other thing I just looked up and I, like, clicked off the screen, so I don't really know what oh, here we go, here it is. It was saying traces of vinegar have been found in Egyptian urns and Babylonian records. So then I was looking at the word Babylonian, and when I looked at it, I tried to break it down, and it reminded me of the word baby lion, even though
Oh, yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
know it's not the same, but, like, I was like, is baby lion kind of just a weird offbeat,
Super wild. Yeah, yeah.
like, baby
Okay.
lion vinegar? I don't know, it just felt like, "Oh, that's strange and interesting."
Yeah, like, if that just had its whole, just like a really goofy backstory, and then it was
Yeah.
just you just started to like baby lion vinegar. Yeah, that's fun.
Yeah, so something there. Oh, yeah, hold on, I think they were talking about sourpuss in the comments. Um, someone said, "That you're describing Garfield." But saying, like, just paw prints is that's a fun branding element.
You see
Yeah.
you see what someone said, "I love Sourpuss, I have all their albums." That's not a real band, is it? Are they
It
joking?
probably is, I don't know.
I think they're
Um,
joking.
uh,
That's
it does
funny.
sound like it.
No, Sourpuss is a high energy, no nonsense rock and roll band in Albuquerque. In the comments, you need to tell
No
us if you're joking, 'cause either way, it's a very funny thing to say.
no nonsense is a fun way to describe I don't know if it's this brand, but that's a
Mhm.
funny no nonsense. Oh, you know what's funny?
Okay.
If you did the sourpuss hold on. If you did sourpuss and you had, like, kind of this grumpy icon or whatever, Garfield, grumpy cat, whatever, something, like, emblematic of that, or reminiscent of that, it is like, no nonsense is a funny, because it kinda looks like, serious.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
wait. I've got something that sort of follows that. I was thinking of one of our very maybe the very first can they brand that experiment we did in Allie. It had to be 2018, right?
Yeah.
'Cause I was in my old Chicago apartment,
Oh,
whatever.
yeah, it was a long time ago.
Was we tried to rebrand French dressing as actually French, and it was like ooh la
Mm,
la and like all that stuff, and
yeah.
we called it it's not dressing, it's undressing. Undressing would be a fun name for this because it's sort of like
Mm,
before oil and before all the other things. It's just like the most basic element to adding to like sauces or whatever.
undressed.
And then undressing or undressed sound like I feel like then the tagline could be like no nonsense cooking oil or cooking vinegar. Then that made me
Mm,
think of pure, like, and then what if it was called like Puritan or puritanical, and you could then go that like holy, what's that bidet company we
mm,
saw that's called Saintly, and they
yeah.
did all sorts of like cloud imagery, and you made it be like this is the most pure essence of vinegar straight from the crushed grape and yada yada yada, and like Puritan or I don't know,
Puritan's
like
funny. It's very subversive in this climate,
very
especially.
very very
Puritan, because then you definitely would I mean, you don't take it in the trad wife route, you take it in, like, a
yeah
tongue-in-cheek, almost a little heretic I mean, you don't have to go
okay
hard in the paint, but it's like you can
yeah
kinda lean into funny imagery, but almost a little
Yeah, like unblemished vinegar, like untouched, like
Yeah.
yada, yada, yada. You'd have to be really overt
You'd
that
have to
you
be
were not
laser sharp too with your,
yeah,
like,
that, like,
like,
this is
almost
not
like the
like
parody of
uh-huh. Which then makes me think pious is also interesting. Like, as m like, to could you, like, crank that up or, like anyway, Puritan
That's
is fun.
fun. Puritan is
Pious that it was just like we're, holy vinegar, I don't know.
vineyard,
Pious.
vineyard.
Sourpuss is still my number 1 favorite right
Yeah, I
now.
know, I'm really into it.